Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Me, Athirah, and my friends Rabiatul and Aqilah will present about development of seeds and fruits. Introduction. After double fertilization occurs, the triploid endosperm nucleus divides by mitosis and form the endosperm tissue. What is endosperm tissue? The endosperm tissue is a food storing tissue that surrounds and supplies nutrients to the embryo. Development of an embryo. It will start with zygote. The zygote divides by mitosis to form two cells, that is, larger cell and smaller cell. And then the larger cell develop into a suspensor. Suspensor anchors the embryo to the wall of the embryo sac. And then the smaller cell develop into an embryo. The embryo consists of plumule, radicle, and cotyledon. As you can see, this is the picture of development of an embryo in plants. This is the zygote, and then the zygote will divide by mitosis process into two cells, which are larger cell and smaller cell. After that, the larger cell develop into a suspensor, which is located at the middle. While the smaller cell develop into embryo, and then this is the embryo. The embryo consists of cotyledon, plumule, and radicle. And then this is the endosperm tissue that supplies nutrients to the embryo.
Next, we're going to look at the development of the ovary into a fruit after fertilization. So it starts with the ovule that develops to become the seed in the fruit. And then the integument becomes two layers of seed coat that serve to protect the embryo. During the development of ovule and seed, the ovary develops into a fruit. Other flower parts such as the stigma and style degenerate and leave a scar on the ovary wall. The ovary wall becomes a pericarp of the fruit, which consists of the azocarp, mesocarp, and endocarp. So typically, fruits are made up of three tissues. Like you can see in the diagram, we have an apple that labeled with the azocarp, mesocarp, and endocarp. So for the azocarp, which is the skin of the fruits, and for the endocarp is the tissue that's surrounding the seed, and for the mesocarp is the tissues that lies between the azocarp and endocarp. Collectively, all the tissues surrounding the seeds are referred as the pericarp.